It's quite natural that every manager wants to build applications fast, but with no disruption. How is that possible? Every enterprise architect wants to govern all the changes across the application lifecycle. How is that possible? Every business owner wants to drive 100% value that's being envisioned from the applications that are delivered. The fundamental focus that carriers should have is how do you bake that business value into the process of application engineering. As a CIO, I want to recalibrate every asset that we build across different systems and applications within enterprise. How is it possible? That's possible by designing and building a solid foundation, by adopting a modern engineering practice. There are 4 key foundational capabilities that insurance carriers must invest on. Domain-driven design, that would establish a common and ubiquitous domain model for you to focus on a business solution, be it an underwriting, distribution, claims management, or customer experience for a self-service portal. The second capability, which is very much important for the development teams and also to orchestrate your change within your organization, is configuration driven implementation. That would really help expediting the product configuration, expediting the rules, not only the functional aspect but also non-functional aspects and implementation concerns. You also need automated infrastructure management and build and deployment process for you to plan your releases and also manage the scaling agility of both infrastructure and also the product functionality. And finally, you would need a sophisticated observability platform for you to proactively monitor the applications and respond back quickly to the severity issues. Building a solid foundation is vital for adopting a modern application engineering practices throughout all the stages of an application lifecycle. Starting from how do you plan an application, taking the business outcomes in, how do you design an application, how do you build, how do you deploy, and how do you operate in an application. We continuously innovate and build tailor-made solutions for insurance carriers, and our primary goal is bringing modern practices into the application lifecycle. With that continuous momentum, we can add value to our customers and prospect consistently.